there is no balance between the Israelis and the Palestinians. The Palestinians and the Israelis are not equal in this story. One side is the colonizer, one side is the colonized. One side is the occupier, one side is the occupied. One side is the ethnic cleanser, the other side is the victim. If you want to reconcile between the victimizer and the victim, you have to stop the victimization. And the whole idea of the two-state solution, and that's the problem, and that's why we do need to hear you as well and not leave it to the people of Palestine to discuss two-state solution. The problem with the two-state solution is that it allows politicians in Germany to say, well, we are with both sides. Both sides are equally guilty, or both sides need our support. We never heard this conversation. This is Israeli Mossad. We never heard this conversation about apartheid South Africa. Nobody said, well, let's hear the apartheid side and let's hear the anti-apartheid side, because both should be heard. Nobody wanted to hear the apartheid side. And nobody said that the problem in South Africa was a policy of South Africa. We said that the problem in South Africa was the ideology of the regime. The problem in Palestine is the ideology of the regime. Zionism is a death trap, not just for the Palestinians, but to me as a Jew in Israel. Zionism will make my life, has made my life horrible in Israel, and will make life for Jews in Israel horrible. Most Israelis do not understand it because they still hold all the power. They still are being accepted around the world. This is going to change. And then it might be too late, not for the Palestinian, it would be too late for the Israeli Jews if we would like to save them. For their